cannot figure out is why they don't leave. When I go to Bergen, I like.
And it's the mystery of the missing carbon dioxide. Where is over half of the carbon dioxide that we emit into the air going over time? And will the Earth continue to absorb over half of the carbon dioxide that we emit as we go into the future? This is an absolutely critical question. And it's only by making very detailed measurements over the entire Earth on regular basis, every couple of weeks, as OCO will do, that we'll be able to answer this question and get at the mystery of the missing carbon. The Orbiting Carbon Observatory is currently scheduled to launch in January of 2009. And it'll take us a little while just to get into our orbit. It turns out that it'll take about a minimum of about 45 days for us to get into orbit. Once that happens, then we'll start checking out the instrument and running a series of tests on the system to make sure it's working properly.
The fundamental goal for the Orbiting Carbon Observatory is to look for sources and sinks of atmospheric CO2. There are predictions or estimates that approximately 200 gigatons of carbon have been emitted into the atmosphere by humans through fossil fuel emissions, that type of thing. And in the atmosphere, we can only account for about half of that. So the other half of that 200 gigatons of carbon is missing, and that's what we call the missing piece of the puzzle. So the fundamental goal for the Orbiting Carbon Observatory is to identify on regional scales these sources and sinks. Where is this atmospheric CO2 actually going?